Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. It is just total box opening day today, and we've got a this is one that I actually received off of watchgang's Wheel of Watches, I believe, from their Black Friday sale. Of course I tried to win up, but this was a tier or a wheel 3 watch, I believe. I don't remember, it's been a little bit, but we will take. We've got a Boldr supply company. That's interesting. We've got, if you see here, we've got the Boldr Explorer GMT2 Space Chimp. Now, if you guys will watch some of my other videos, you know I love my Boldr Explorer GMT2, and this is more or less a special edition of that. Now, if you're unfamiliar with watchgang's Wheel of Watches, you can earn points from referring friends. You earn points by your subscriptions auto-renewing, and you can buy points. And there's chances to win higher level watches at the different wheel spin levels, including some grail watches, Rolexes, tags, and things of that nature. Unfortunately, I've never won anything like that on any of the wheel spins I've done. All right, so this is a special edition of the Explorer GMT2 called the Space Chimp. And I just thought it was cool. I liked the two-tone on the strap, got quick release. I don't know much about this other than it's cool. I think that one's really cool. And I love my Boldrs so far. I mean, everyone that I've gotten, I think, is almost indestructible. They've been very, very awesome as far as their finish stays looking great, even when you're beating the crap out of them. And I expect this one is going to be the same. But I will do my usual on this one as well. Let's go ahead and throw it on wrist really quick. You'll see that I'm still wearing that hell gray bomber from my last video. And that was one of my Kickstarter watches. Yeah, I think this one was a tier 3 watch, but I will definitely have to do some research on it to figure that out. This is a similar strap to what's on the regular Boldr or the regular GMT, but it does feel thicker, so that'll be interesting. It feels pretty thick. That's what that one looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. Like I said, I've been a huge fan of Boldrs since I got that GMT2, just because I think that watch is almost indestructible. Pretty cool overall. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.